You are going to love the 2013 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.